Hi everyone, this is we are in Nepal and we are going to discuss. You can see the goal of the channel. The main goal of this channel is it will be focusing on three factors. The first one is government jobs, and then IT jobs, and then tips and tricks related to computer software. So we'll discuss these all things one by one in the upcoming slides. So let's start. So government jobs. So in government jobs, we will be focusing on Lok Seva Aayog for computer engineer, computer operator, and IT officer. And so we will be focusing on all the three levels. We have central level, state level, and local level. So it's the central level means whole Nepal, and the state level means provincial or Pradesh, uh, and the local level means Sthaniyata. So for those, all we'll be targeting these all the levels of Nepal while preparing for the Lok Seva Aayog. So we'll be completing all the syllabus related to the Lok Seva Aayog. What are the syllabus which will be covering each and everything, and we'll be discussing each and everything in this channel. Then we have organization under Lok Seva Aayog, like so there are the few other organization which examination will be taken under the Lok Seva Aayog. So, for example, we have NTC, NEA, NOC, a lot are there. So, we'll be focusing on them. So, we'll cover these all things, right, for the government jobs preparation. And this related to IT jobs. So, it's like there are IT jobs. So, we'll be focusing here in the three factors. One is a web developer, software developer. So the famous software technology that we are using in Nepal are .NET and PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. So we'll be focusing on that, and then we'll be adding more things like Angular will be there, React JS will be there. So those things we'll focus on later, finishing one by one. So we'll first finish the basics things required to, like Web API, and those things will be there. So we'll focus on all those things. And then we have UI and UX design, web designer, those things will be focusing on, and we'll be simply using the basic things, right? User paint, Photoshop, those things will be starting with that. Then we have focus on mobile app development. We have Android development and iOS development. So these are all three things, right? We'll be focusing one by one. So now we'll first focus on the government jobs things, and then side by side also we'll focus on the IT jobs. So the both the videos will be uploaded simultaneously, and tips and tricks related to computer software. So here we'll focus on the shortcut key, right? Or keys like, so when you press right two keys, what is going to happen? For example, if it is Windows plus R, right? Windows plus E, what is going to happen on the when you press those keys? We'll see the demos, and we'll post those which are the, so when you know the shortcut key, right, it will be very easy for you to focus on things. So when you start programming, right, you get confused, right, how to use how to maintain the code, how to use the code. So we'll be focusing on the coding standards and those all things, and many more will be there in the tips and tricks, and we'll be posting those tricks and tricks. It will be based on the IDs, right, which are the IDs we are going to use, which are the text in the shortcut keys, right. These are the access of those tools in the future, right. So we'll be covering each and everything, like whenever will be the in the use of those things, we'll be focusing on those things. And thank you.